Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should first verify VLC is the latest 64-bit release and restart Windows. This avoids permission and codec glitches. Once installed, open Settings and go directly to Apps, then Default Apps. You'll use file type and protocol associations instead of legacy control panel options. Make sure you have a sample video file like MP4 ready. That lets you confirm associations immediately. This starts the process quickly and keeps troubleshooting minimal, because default setting flows rely on up-to-date app registrations. You'll now scroll to VLC under Default Apps and open its association list. This is where Windows 11 centralizes file and protocol control. Click each common media extension, MP4, MKV, AVI, MP3, and choose VLC as the default. For streaming links, find protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, and MMS, and set VLC there too, because browsers may hand off links via protocol handlers. Take your time to change each type, so Windows won't keep reverting to the previous player. Consistency prevents half-configured defaults. Now confirm the change. Double-click several file types and open a streaming URL. If some files still open in the old app, go back to Settings, Default Apps, choose Defaults by file type, and reassign those specific extensions. Once done, restart Explorer or sign out to ensure shell integration updates. If Windows prevents overrides, reinstall VLC and accept any prompt to set it as the default media player. This refreshes app registration. Quick troubleshooting tip. If association won't stick, check for group policy or third-party defaults managers blocking changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.